Welcome to my channel. CQYY Wi-Fi extender setup. Need a stronger Wi-Fi signal? In this video, we'll show you how to set up the CQYY Wi-Fi extender step by step. First, plug in your CQYY Wi-Fi extender near your router. Wait for the power LED to light up. Next, connect your phone or computer to the extender's network. You'll find a network called Wi-Fi XXXX, where the last 4 digits match the MAC address on the back of the extender. Once connected, a setup page will pop up automatically. If it doesn't, open your browser and enter the IP address listed in the instructions. Now, select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks, and enter your Wi-Fi password. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the connection. Your extender will now create a new network with a name similar to your original, but ending in Pro. For the best performance, place your extender halfway between your router and the area where you need a stronger signal. Finally, connect your devices to the new extended network, and enjoy improved Wi-Fi coverage. Thanks for watching.